Welcome to Knowledge Nest 89. Hello, kids. Let's learn 20 yummy vegetables together. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a carrot. Carrot is orange and crunchy. This is potato. Potato grows under the ground. This is tomato. Tomato is red and juicy. This is broccoli. Broccoli looks like a small tree. This is cucumber. Cucumber is green and fresh. This is corn. Corn is sweet and yellow. This is onion. Onion makes us cry. This is garlic. Garlic is very healthy. This is spinach. Spinach makes us strong. This is cabbage. Cabbage is round and green. This is chili. Chili is spicy. This is brinjal. Brinjal is purple. This is capsicum. Capsicum is colorful. This is radish. Radish is white and crunchy. This is sweet potato. Sweet potato is yummy. These are peas. Peas are small and green. This is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is green. This is pumpkin. Pumpkin is big and orange. This is lettuce. Lettuce is green and fresh. Great job, kids! You learned 20 vegetables today. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.